Mau. Well, hi. Today I'm gonna be unboxing whatever this is. You'll probably know what it is. It's the title of the video.
Is it?
Oh, wow. Okay.
The new headset. Oh
It
my
says
god, there's a
the
mic.
ultralight headset.
What?
It's ultra light.
Can I see the cover of the box? Other side.
The cover of the box. What does it say? Razer Kraken X. You know, we were talking about this like a week ago, and I thought it was called the Crackhead X. My parents laughed at me and were wondering why I would say that. Okay. It's not very good. But yes, we have the Crackhead X. Tape. No one needs tape. Oh, this is cool. That's a cool box.
Okay, you need to. They said you need to install that app. It has the code there. So you need to install that app so you can get 7.1 sound.
Manual. Alright, alright. Okay, the box is now empty.
And they say we have to
Headset.
keep the box
Nice.
for warranty purposes. Like I have to keep the box for 2 years.
2
Yes, sir.
years.
Huh?
I think if it's still working in 2 years, then, you know, it's good. But we bought it, I guess. This is really big. Okay, it goes up to 8 notches. Oh wow, that I can barely hear myself. Wow. Yeah, it's very comfortable.
It says Discord ready. They say it's Discord ready.
Discord ready.
I don't know.
Wow, I have no idea what that means.
YouTube.
Here, mapa. Can we turn on sound? How do we turn up the volume on this thing?
It's on the side. Should be here.
Oh, there it is. Oh, it's
This
a
is
scroll.
mute. This is mute. I think this is mute.
Yeah, that's mute. Scroll button. It's at a loud enough sound where you can clearly hear it and it doesn't hurt your ears.
Okay.
Bye.